Okay, Paulo.
You're gonna do this.
You're in the water. Paulo, your ear was not in the water. When you turn, I want at least the back half of your head in the water. Come back the same way. Same way. Look at the floor. Look down.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is deep down there. Oh gosh.
You got it, buddy.
The deeper the water, the bigger the balloon that holds you up.
Attaboy, pal.
Okay? Okay, Miss Olivia, let's go slow and easy. Okay? I'm going to be right beside you.
That looks so cool down there.
You going to jump?
Yeah.
Okay, but go slow. Go.
Woo.
Dude, no, but look in the middle.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh yeah, I saw
Keep
that.
going. Take your breath and go.
I saw the middle.
You got it, baby. You got it, baby.
You're okay. Slow, Olivia.
Olivia.
I'm right.
I'm gonna go and look.
Nice.
What the heck is
Woo!
that? What? Sight.
Nice job, Olivia. Go slow, please. Okay? Good job. Okay, Paulo. Hold on a minute. Let me get Avery in.